Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best power inverter for truck. To begin with is the BESTEK 2000W power inverter for truck. When picking out the best power inverter for trucks, there are a few different elements to watch out for the most. First, you need to make sure that you can get enough power to operate all of your devices. In this case, you can use up to 2000 watts at once, which is more than enough for many electronics. It also has 4600 watt peak power, which helps ensure that you don't blow a fuse when plugging things in. The second thing to pay attention to is the number of plugs you get. With the BESTEK power inverter, you have 3 110-volt outlets. Up next is the GIANDEL 2000-watt power inverter for truck. If you're powering multiple devices in your semi-truck, you don't want to get an inverter that will take up a ton of space. This model from GIANDEL is thinner than the BESTEK, but it still provides the same power output, so it could be a better choice for your rig. One unique element of this power inverter is that you can hook it up to either a standard truck battery or a solar one. Although most semi-trucks don't have solar panels, it's nice to know that you can modify it if necessary. Another feature of the GIANDEL is the wired remote control pad. This system allows you to plug in the control and mount it wherever it's the most convenient for you. Third up is the AutoExec 200-watt power inverter for truck. One of the reasons to install a power inverter in your truck is to make it easier to work on the go. If you have to upload documents with a computer, then being able to plug in increases your job performance and efficiency. In this case, you not only get a power inverter to keep your electronics on and charging, but it also comes with a large desk and storage area. Overall, this is designed as a mobile workstation that can keep you productive while on the road. Because this is a 2-in-1 product, the power inverter is nowhere near as powerful as other models we've seen. Moving along, here we have the Ampeak 2000W power inverter for truck. One crucial element of any power inverter for trucks is the kind of power it delivers. We're not talking about watts or volts. Instead, we're referring to sine waves. With most models, you get modified sine wave output, which means that the inverter can limit how much energy is flowing at any given time. The benefit of this kind of power is that it's more efficient, but it can affect how your electronics perform, especially if they are sensitive. That being said, this inverter, along with the rest of this list, uses modified sine wave energy. It also produces up to 2000 watts of continuous power with 4000 watts surge protection. To end with here, we have the BESTEK 3000W power inverter for truck. If you need a lot of power for your devices, then you will want something like this inverter from BESTEK. With a 3000 watt capacity, it can keep all of your devices running smoothly without any problems. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.